Yeah.
See, you're really doing a great job. But the thing is, see, let me tell you something. There are two view on-click listener, new view on-click listener. Okay. So the only mistake you're doing is you're selecting the second view on-click listener. It's very simple. I'm going to delete this. Let me. Okay. See.
Yeah.
EIEW. Okay. See. Here the on-click listener is android.view.view. Okay. If I select this, this will come. And what you are doing is you are not selecting that one. View dot on click. You are selecting this one. For this one, it won't work. Okay, that is the only problem. See, what you have to do is click on click listener. If you select dot on click listener, this thing will come. Okay, you are not supposed to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Delete this view and do it again. Very good. First one. No, the second one. See, already it is coming. So you don't want to do anything. It's very simple. Clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Great, yeah. The last part. So what we have to do now? You know very clear. Exactly. Good. And as I said before, Java is a case-sensitive programming language. So we have to make sure, yeah, very good. But to be very frank, you really have a grasping power. I mean, since if you have not practiced, this is more than enough, yeah. Toast, T-O. That is the reason I'm asking you to write it down. So while teaching programming, you please write it down. And even after completion of the classes, you can try it in your system, and eventually you can do it by next classes. Got it? So whatever I'm teaching you, please write it down. It is like a mathematical operation. So Vedika, can you hear me? I think she disconnected. பரவாயில்ல, இவங்க டக்குன்னு கிராஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க இல்லைங்களா சமயா?
ஆமா சார்.
பிரச்சனையே இல்ல. ஆனா நீங்க பாடுபடுவீங்க பாருங்க 5 மணிக்கு அந்த பையன்கிட்ட. அவ்வளவுதான் நீங்க.
ஏன் சார் என்ன கோர்த்து
ஏன்னா அவருக்கு இன்டர்நெட் இஷ்யூ இருக்குதுங்க. எனி டிஸ்க்கும் ஒர்க் ஆகலன்னு சொல்றாரு. அதனால கண்டிப்பா ப்ராப்ளம் கிரியேட் ஆகும். ப்ராப்ளம்னு இல்ல, நீங்க கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டப்படுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். 5 to 5 to 6ன்றது 5 to 6ன்ற கிளாஸஸ் வந்து 5 to 6:30யும் மாறலாம். ஏன்னா நாங்க அன்னைக்கு 2 hours கஷ்டப்பட்டோம். நானும் அவர் இருந்தா சாய் தர்மா அவரும் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டோம். அவர் பாதியில சார் என்னால முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு. சார் என்னால இவர் இது பண்ண முடியாது, நடத்துங்க அப்படின்ட்டார். நானா ஓகே. வேதிகா, கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ? Miss Vedika, can you?
Yeah.
Great. Do it.
Yeah.
It is completed, totally completed. Don't worry. Do a toast. If you do mistakes, I'll help you. Don't worry. Do it. Great. Okay. No. Do it. What happened, Miss Vedika? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Great. No, it is right, yeah. Why you have deleted it? Just right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, already, inside the text you already it is apple, right? So you don't want to tell that which fruit is this. So instead, apple is good for health. It is, see, you got my point, right?
Yeah.
That's it. No, see, mhm, good. Then what we have to do? Hmm. Yeah, enter it. No. See, right now the error is there. Can you see here? The error is there
Yeah.
because, see, close this and clear it. And let me, you have some other error also. I'll teach you later. I'll tell you later. But finish this. I can enter it. The part is right. No. Go there, yeah. You have done a great job. You have to show, you have to enter show. Enter show. Type show, yeah. What happened?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay. So what error you have now? So have you seen the tutorials somewhere?
No.
So have you practiced yesterday?
No.
It is completed, but we have some error. Can you please check what is the error? Finish is not necessary. It's not mandatory that you have to mention finish, but some work will come so that so that is the reason we are mentioning finish. To complete the process, we are mentioning finish. And F is not a capital letter. F is a small letter in Java for finish. Even for find, F is not a capital letter. It is a small letter. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Good. So what you have some error now. You have to find it. I'm not going to help you. A small tiny error, but see, during even I've started my career. During my starting, I did the same mistake, and I used to cry. Everything is right. I don't know why the error is coming. I used to cry. Okay, but you done the same mistake. It is clearly showing that error is here and the error is stored. So what do you have to do? I'm not going to help you now. Again, the same error is coming. Oh, yes, sir. Again, the same error is coming. That's it.
No, we
That's
have
it.
to adjust that length maybe somewhere.
That's it. Are you sure? Are you completed or you want to do something?
No.
Do you want to do something or it is completed? Do it, do it. It is totally completed, yeah. So the only tiny mistake, see, for usually it is, see, this will be the scenario. Even if you're doing tons of programming, the small error will be there. And it is quite easy, but the only problem is, it looks like it is perfect, but the only problem is it is not perfect. Even you have done it right. I mean, you have completed the programming. Again, you are doing the same mistake again and again. Okay.
Yeah.
See, can I tell you now? Can I help you?
Yeah.
Or are you going to
Yeah.
find? Usually, yeah, for toast in Kotlin, we have to mention like this. Even for indent, we have to mention like this. But we are not supposed to mention like this in Java. Okay. So in Java, one second. Yeah. Yeah, delete that. You delete this toast. Can you please delete that toast? No, yeah. No, 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 no. What happened? No, you're not supposed to do that. See, go to toast, select this toast, delete it. Good. Delete I. Delete the I part. Delete the equal to part. Equal to. Yeah, that's it. Now there is no error, right?
Yeah.
Only the warning is there. That's fine. If the warning is there, that's totally fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's because we are new view dot. It's totally new. That what I mean is we are processing a new view dot on click listener, right? That is the reason they're showing error. But that doesn't matter, yeah. Okay, it is completed. So even we have an intent part. We might get confused with that intent and this toast. So see, I mean, before you done toast, which is equal to toast dot make text, right? But for change, it shows I am doing right. But why the error is coming? You might think like that. But the actual fact is it is not right. So straight away you have to do toast dot make text activity main. Got it? So now run the application. It will work. Now run the application. It will work, and eventually we'll see the syllabus path. See, Ms. Vedika, as of now, introduction, architecture, installation setup, project structure, emulator and output using mobile is completed. Android components is nothing but we are doing an Android components now. Let me tell you. Where is Android Studio? Just no, yeah, here it is. Okay, in your Android Studio, you don't want to do anything. Let me show in my Android Studio. Okay. Oops. Close this. Again, I'll open. Yeah. So within 2 minutes, it will get open. Don't worry. So right now we are mentioning find view by ID, right?
Yeah.
Find view by ID, set on click listener, toast, everything will be included in Android components. Okay.
Yeah.
All the coding part, all the on create. Right now we are in on create. Can you see this? Right now we are in on create. On create is there. On destroy is there. On pause is there. There are different on click lists. If you enter Control O, so all the on click on start is there. On post resume is there. On stop is there. Find view by ID is also an Android component. These are all the methods, override methods. Okay, there are tons of override methods. Okay, so you don't want to get confused. Okay, right now we are using override methods called view, find view by ID, set on click listener, view dot on click listener. So these are all the components we are using now. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So let's check whether the output is working for you or not. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, within 5 minutes it will get completed. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
See, tomorrow's the task is Android components are completed. Even the palette is on process. Hello world is by default it is completed. Layouts, we have seen the constraint layouts and we have seen the layouts as well. That day I shown you, right? Layouts.
Yeah.
So tomorrow even, I mean, while changing the color changing application, I'll teach you. Text view, right now we are doing text view, and for third project will be the image view. I'll show you what the image view is. And edit view will be there. Edit view is nothing but you can enter anything like username, password. Auto complete text view is there. Right now we are not using auto complete. It is for basic plan, for not for no plan. And scroll view will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
And buttons will be there. Eventually we've seen the button. So for every button, the same process, but the button style differs. Okay. Even the bar is completely same. Bar is nothing but loading process. Even in YouTube, if the internet connection is low, it will load, right? Just like that. Okay. So tomorrow, the starting part is XML. Okay.
Yeah.
So XML, we are going to create a new color app. So we'll name it as Rainbow. It's totally fine. So we have to do 3 to 4 XML designs, and we have to do 4 main activities. Okay. It's so easy. Yeah. The same process you have to do, but the only line differs and the small process differs. Okay. It's not a rocket science. The same process we have to do for color application, and even for story app, the same application, but the resource will be different. Okay. So instead of color, instead of text view, we are going to use the images. Okay. Images and buttons for storytelling application. So today's task is for you by tomorrow evening 3 o'clock. I mean, tomorrow 3 o'clock will be your classes, right? Are you going to change? Okay. So before 3 o'clock, please give some stories. I mean, short stories like this. Okay. Maybe 10 lines or more, not more than 10 lines. 8 to 7 lines or maximum 10 lines will be more than fine. And moral of the story will be also good. Okay. Please try to do it. So we'll try to finish it within 15 days, or it might be extend 16 or 17 days. Okay. So right now we are in day. Within 3 days we can complete. I mean, Thursday, within 2 days we can complete color changer application. And eventually on Saturday and Sunday, we'll do it in your system, the color changer application. So, and eventually after that, I'll be creating I'll be downloading the required resource files, and I'll teach you how to download the resource files using, there are different apps. I mean, for GIF file, I've shown you, right? Looty. Just like that, for PNG file, PNG tree is there.
Yeah.
PNG tree is nothing but there are different logos. Let me show you. School. See, back to school, the posters will be there. And characters will be there like this. So we can download whatever our requirements are. Okay. So I'll download it, and by tomorrow I'll teach you how to download it. Okay. So most of the resources are free, but some of the resources might be paid version. See, even in Looty, not most, the basic GIF file will be free, but for other things we have to pay. Okay. It will differ $3, $5, $25, up to $125. Also, the GIF file will be there. Okay. We'll see it in next class. And eventually plugin Kotlin available. I'm sorry, that's my part. Still the Gradle is running.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. It will work. Don't worry. But the output will work. That is the ultimate point, right? See, it's because it is running. It's because we are connected in AVD manager, right? That is the reason it is running. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else we'll do something. Just give me a minute. Let me try. I'm creating a new project. What is the project name of yours?
Fruit.
No, it's Mango. Project name is Mango, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to create a Mango file. Okay.
Yeah.
It is creating. Can you please select all? No. It is completed, I think so. Just give me a minute. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. It is completed. Don't do anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Please wait. It will take some time. Yeah. Never show this again. You select this and select OK. Okay. Never. Yeah. Great. Select OK. Select OK. It will close this. Close this app. Close app. Select close app. See, it is not responding because of the graphic card. Okay. It will work.
Yeah.
Sorry, again it will open. Let's try it again. If it is not opening, you have so obvious. You have to connect in your mobile and you have to get an output. Okay, as of now it is clear. Again, the Gradle is running, right?
Yeah.
No worries. Let's wait for a while. It will work. See, right now we are using AnyDesk, right? AnyDesk and Zoom call, right? That is the reason it is not working. And eventually, because of if the more number of software works, more number of graphic it will use, the system will use. So if we close the applications, all the applications, it will work. Don't worry about that. Clear?
Yeah.
But I'm very sure your output will work. 10% output will work.
Yeah.
No, you don't want to close the Android Studio, yeah. If you close the Android Studio, the output will never work. You do something. You do something. Go down. Go down to the application. Go down. Please check whether the output is came or not. No, not that. Go inside the mobile, yeah. Inside the no. Don't close it. No. You're not supposed to close this. Okay. Cancel. See, again, it is not working because of graphics. Okay, we'll do something. We'll disconnect this call. We are done for the day, but the only point is you have to get an output. But see, more number of applications are running in your system, right? That is the reason it is not working. So eventually, please disconnect and try it out. It will work. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else we'll do something. Just give me a minute. Do you have your mobile now?
Yeah.
Try to connect your mobile in. In your system. Are you already connected?
No.
Please connect it. Let's try. You are already in developer option, right?
Yeah.
See, it's because right now many applications are running in your system. That is the reason it is not showing. Let's disconnect the Zoom call. We are done for the day. If the output is not showing, please let me know by tomorrow. I'll help you. But 200% sure the output will work. Because of the system configuration, it is not showing. Okay. So you close all the applications. You enter Windows and R. Delete the temporary files. I'm doing it now, right now in my system. Please check.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is Windows and R. I'm going to delete the temporary files. It is opening. Okay. Yeah. So it is opened. What I'm going to do is Control Alt Delete. It is deleted. Okay. So if you do this in your system after disconnecting all the applications, not again, if you run the application, it for sure it will work. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll get the output. Okay. If it is not getting 200%, you'll get the output, but it might take some time. Okay. If it is not working, please let me know. I'll help you. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts as of now?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
200%. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any doubts, no worries. I'll teach you tomorrow. Okay. But please check the output is working or not. And the only task for you tomorrow is you have to make some short stories and you have to submit. Okay.
Yeah.
And eventually, tomorrow we are going to start the classes for color changing application. So we'll do that. Within 3 to 4 days, we can complete that. And after, during the completion of color changing application, we'll be creating the storytelling app. So according to your story requirements, we'll be having the resources. And I'll teach you how to download the resources according to your requirement. And we have to put all the resources and we have to create a storytelling one. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts?
No.
Good. So please give your feedback if the classes are good, or if you have any concerns, please mention it in your feedback. Thank you. Thanks for it. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.